Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Drive on PC. And in today's video, I will show you now how to change from anyone with a link in Google Drive to restricted to prevent people from having access to your file in Google Drive. Let me show you how. The first thing you want to do here is to go ahead and make sure you select the particular file you want to use. So when you select, I'm going to use this particular file as an example. You can do this before you share your Google Drive link to public. You can do this after you share your Google Drive link to the public. You can restrict it before you send out the link. You can restrict it after you send out your link. Everything depends on you. So once you select the particular file that you want to use, go ahead and come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on share. And this is going to pop up right here. Now what you need to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you click on here and make sure you switch to restricted. Once you click on restricted, you can see it has been fully restricted right here. Go ahead and click on done right here. And with that, no matter how number of people that have access to this particular link here, they are going to be restricted. This simply means that before they can have access to the file, whether they want to view or they want to comment or they want to print the file, they have to request for permission from you. So once they request a permission from you, if they are the kind of people that you want them to have access to the file, you can grant permission. If they are not the one you want them to have access to the file, you just have to decline. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about file setting and file security in Google Drive, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.